this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Toyota Landcruiser, stock number 6224. This ran from the 8th 2015 to the 3rd 2021. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1VD 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, left rear tailgate door no dents, right rear tailgate door no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,